Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to fried noodle with curry leaves, dried chilies, and oyster sauce. Hope you like it. This fried noodles tastes similar to Kung Pao fried noodles, but it doesn't contain peppercorns, green onions, or minced garlic. It's just a simple fried noodles. The caramelized aroma of dried chilies and the chewy noodles are perfectly combined. It tastes fresh, slightly spicy, and satisfying, with a long aftertaste. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: noodle, vegetable, curry leaves, dried chili, ginger. I forgot to fry the eggs before frying the noodles. You can fry the eggs before frying the noodles, and then sprinkle them on the noodles or mix them together. I like to eat thin noodles. You can choose the noodles you like. Wash and cut dried chilies into sections. Chopped ginger. Sliced vegetarian seafood tofu. Wash the curry leaves and gently push them forward to pull them out from the stems. Wash and cut vegetables into sections. You can put your favorite vegetables, such as cabbage, choysum, or abalone mushroom. Because we use dry noodles, we must first boil them until they are soft. Take out an appropriate amount and add the noodles into boiling water to cook until soft. Adding a few drops of cooking oil to the water can prevent the noodles from sticking together and make them smoother and chewier. Boil the noodles for stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are soft on the outside and hard on the inside. Then remove and cool. This way they will not become mushy when stir-fried and will have a chewy texture. The specific time should be adjusted according to the thickness of the noodles. Soak noodle in cold water for seconds will make noodle taste more chewy and not easy to break when stir-fried. Stir-fry condiments with cooking oil to release flavor. Stir-frying the seasonings over high heat can quickly stimulate the aroma, allowing the oil to fully release the flavor and make the whole dish more fragrant. Add vegetarian seafood tofu. Add a tablespoon vegetarian oyster flavor sauce. Pour 1 small bowl water and bring it to boil. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder. Add black soy sauce to add color. Once boiled, add noodle and stir-fry to absorb flavor. 2 to 3. Stir fry over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes for the best taste, which can not only keep the noodles chewy, but also allow the sauce to coat them evenly. Add vegetables. It's easier to stir-fry noodle with the help of chopstick. Add soy sauce to enhance the flavor. The noodle smells so good. Plate fried noodle. Me and family finished a whole bowl of fried noodle in no time. There is nothing more satisfying and blissful than eating the food you want to eat. I believe everyone agrees and understands this. The curry leaf fried noodles are fragrant and the rich Nanyang flavor makes people's appetite whet. After the curry leaves are fried in hot oil, the unique spicy aroma blends perfectly with the sauce, and each noodle is covered with tempting flavor. With the spicy aroma of dried chili peppers and a hint of sweetness, it tastes rich and delicious. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Fried noodles are easy to chew and digest, suitable for the elderly, and can be paired with vegetables and lean meat to supplement protein and fiber. Pay attention to less oil, less salt, and softer noodles. Avoid heavy flavors and hard noodles, which can satisfy appetite and take into account health needs. Excessive consumption of fried noodles may increase obesity and cardiovascular burden due to high oil, high salt, and high carbohydrates, which is especially harmful to people with poor metabolism. If the ingredients are single or the fire is too heavy, it may lead to nutritional imbalance or produce burnt substances, which will affect health if consumed for a long time. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and volatile oils, which help improve digestion, relieve flatulence, and have natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. Its unique aroma can also increase appetite and help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol, making it a natural spice that combines flavor and health. Dried chili peppers are rich in capsaicin and vitamin C, which can promote metabolism, enhance immunity, and help relieve nasal congestion and pain. Eating them in moderation can also stimulate appetite and accelerate fat burning, but excessive consumption may irritate the stomach and intestines, so it needs to be adjusted according to your physical condition. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.